listening. Ignore the world, let the music cave in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY eyelash growth serum. I also sell this eyelash and eyebrow growth serum, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I make it, and then I'm going to be showing you guys my 7-day results. I'm going to be using it 7 days consistently for morning and night. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys every day me applying it, and then I'm going to show you guys my results at the end of 7 days. Now during these 7 days, if you're doing this challenge with me, drop it down below. Comment down below if you want to join this challenge with me, and then you can send me your results at Okia Hair Care on Instagram, or Okia Dior on Instagram. So send me your results so I can see them, and if you're interested in purchase, you can also DM me for purchase of the eyelash growth serum. But I'm going to show you guys my before and after with and without mascara. And during these 7 days, avoid wearing mascara so we can get the best results. Avoid wearing false lashes as well. So without further ado, we're going to hop straight into this video. Okay, so now I'm going to take a clean plastic cup. I have 3 of them. I don't really need 3, but now I'm going to take my 1/4 tablespoon or teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna add the vitamin E oil. Now the vitamin E oil is very thick, so it takes a while to run out. And this is 100% vitamin E oil. It's not mixed with anything. You want the one that's not mixed with anything. Okay, so after that, we're gonna take the Jamaican black castor oil. And we're gonna do 2 1/4 teaspoons. Then we're gonna go for the aloe vera gel, 100% gel. And we're basically gonna go for 3 or 4. It's all stuck to the bottom. Yeah, give me a second. Because the gel is so thick, I'm not even gonna bother to put it inside this teaspoon. I'm gonna do 1 more though. Okay. We're gonna take Vaseline so the serum is not runny and it doesn't run in your eye because of how loose the oils are. You need something thick to balance that out. We're gonna go 2 1/4 teaspoons. And then we're gonna use a dry, clean spoolie. And we're gonna mix this. Now, if you want it a bit looser in consistency, see, this is how thick it is. If you want it a bit looser in consistency, you're gonna have to add more aloe vera gel and a little bit more Jamaican black castor oil. But this consistency is good for me because I don't like when it runs in my eye. So it's thick and it just gets straight to the point. So now I'm gonna show you guys my before and after. But first I'm gonna put it inside this little, what do you call this, contact lens thing, because I ran out of containers. We're gonna seal that up. Okay guys, so don't mind the texture on my skin. I'm still trying to work on my skincare routine, but these are my lashes without mascara. This is how they look, and then I'm gonna try to get you guys a clip of me with mascara on. Okay, so I tried to get you guys a clear shot of my lashes with mascara, but it was coming out really blurry. So this is a clip from the day before of my lashes. I started this video on the 6th of November, and this was the 5th of November. So this is just a general idea of how my lashes look with mascara. But now I'm going to proceed to put on some of the DIY eyelash growth serum on my lashes for day one. Just go like that. And then before the products get a chance to fall down, I just rub it. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my face and I'm gonna come back in the night. I'm gonna wash my face, wash off this eye, and then I'm gonna apply it on this eye as well. Then I'm gonna come back tomorrow to show you guys. Okay, so now these are clips of me applying my eyelash growth serum every night. This is day 2. Then we're gonna go through the whole lineup. And yeah, there's not much to say and nothing different. I just applied it to my lashes and made sure it was getting on my lash line, and that's about it. Okay guys, so that was the end of my 7 days applying my DIY eyelash growth serum morning and night. Now these are my final results without mascara, and now I'm going to proceed to show you guys my results with mascara. Okay, so these are them with mascara. I see a small difference from the beginning of the video when I first put on mascara to now. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison in the end, but tell me in the comment section below if you guys see a drastic change or not. I believe they grew a little bit, but if you're going to do this challenge with me, drop a comment down below and send me your results at Okia Hair Care on Instagram. But tell me anything also. I mean, I hate voiceovers, but tell me if you guys are gonna do this. But that's not what I wanted to say. Oh my, this is terrible. I was gonna say, drop any comments. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna leave that in there just so y'all can see my struggles with doing voiceovers. But I was gonna say, drop any video idea you guys would like to see from me in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Big party in the West Indies. Welcome to the land of champions.